Hey guys, welcome back to Pinch of Pink Salt. Today we are going to be making this very refreshing immune boosting drink with one of my new favorite superfruits, kiwis. So to get started, we are going to slice our kiwis and cut them into small cubes. Now, you can remove the skins, that's totally up to you, but I prefer to keep them for that extra fiber and extra nutrients, which I will actually list all the details below. We're then going to transfer them to a bowl, and I'm just using a mason jar at the bottom of it, so we're going to mash it as much as we can so we can get those juices flowing. We're then going to add some lime juice, some sweetener, I'm using agave, and we're going to mix this until everything is well combined. Alright, and the last thing to do is assemble, so I'm going to be adding some ice, some of my kiwi puree, and of course my liquid of choice, which is water. But you can definitely get creative with this. If you'd like, you can add some club soda, maybe even some orange juice if you want some additional flavor. And the last thing we're going to do is mix it together. Now, I was so surprised to look up the nutrition facts of kiwis. They actually have more vitamin C than oranges, and I was so shocked to see that. So definitely kiwis are something that I am going to incorporate in my diet on a regular basis, especially with everything that's going on now. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, definitely give me a like, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I put out new videos every single week, and until next time, have a great day. Bye.